Today we are talking about Maki the Shwapa Queen, a Facebook content creator who is killing it online. But Imani guys, there is a target on this girl. From thieves trying to break into her house. You know when they say that as soon as you make it, leave the neighborhood in which you grew up in? There's a reason for that. Hi fam, welcome to Pop Culture Daily News Ninjani. Please subscribe for the latest gossip and entertainment news every day. So Maki, you know her guys, right? Yo, lentomazana indenza ndibamba amazinyo okoko, I swear. From her crazy ideas of content to her flashing huge amounts of money that she makes on Facebook. I mean, sis is out here showing us checks that are bigger than some people's yearly salaries. It's like she's saying, yes, I'm rich, deal with it. Like, go get it, flex much. I take it as a motivation to work hard. So it depends how you take it. Does she inspire you? Mamelani, because things get a little crazy. Maki said that thieves tried to break into her house. I know it sounds wild, but apparently some people just can't handle seeing others get too successful. But thank God that her man was at home and ready to protect her, Kesana. She says, I had uninvited guests, lucky I'm safe. She also says on another Facebook post that they were almost inside and 3 armed men, they were in my house and they thought I'm alone, kanti my man was there. As if Kesanendoda is security yako that will always be there. Yeah. Oh Maki Betuna. She said that a content creator also that she worked with was recently robbed at gunpoint. So these people are targeting bonga bantu that are around her ingati nabo, they are making it. At gunpoint Betuna, sana uba influencer is a little bit tricky because uyawucinga uyamliva life pity so ku action movie. Like 1 minute you are posting a cute picture of your new outfit and the next minute you are fighting for your life. Sipina betunana apha sisesemhlabeni kaThixo. Umaki, we know that Umaki is the highest paid Facebook creator. She's literally making money faster than we can blink. And while she's out here getting paid, thieves are coming for that bag. Hi, son, I feel him. This also shows that when you are winning, people might want a piece of what you've got. And it's not just followers, but your stuff. So here's my opinion. If you're out here getting the bag, be careful. Success attracts envy. How can you post stacks of cash mara and still live in the same area where you were struggling? The area mapara and expect to be safe? This girl makes 6 figures, okay? 6 figures a month. That is anything from 100K going up. Why is she renovating an old house instead of buying a new one at the burbs? Because she's clearly not safe and the boyfriend won't always be there. Okanye she wants the rural life for her content aesthetics, maybe. Girl, you can go to the ghetto though to shoot your content with your crew and then go back to your remote controlled high security house. I mean, you've got the money. To be honest, and we all know this, the townships we grew up in have become so dangerous. They don't want to see anyone make it out. They will unalive you, oh shembetuna, and life will go on just like that. Breaking away doesn't mean that you now think you are better. You cannot buy back a second life, guys. So you gotta keep the one that you have. What's your take here? Mnanditi, keep grinding, keep shining, but don't forget to be smart about it. Protect yourself, your money, and your peace. Alright fam, that's all the tea for today. Stay safe, stay smart, and don't let anyone steal your shine. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want more crazy stories and spicy drama. Catch you next time on Pop Culture Daily News. Bye.